Hello again, folks. It's Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and this demonstration is going to be on a, I don't have the customer's file with me. This is from Charlie in Seffner, Florida, and it's out of looks like a 69, 69 Challenger, Charger. Quite a few cars had this particular unit. Of course, it's missing the chrome faceplate. Customer probably has it sent off for re-chroming at another company. And just to go over a quick couple of things here, common problems on this type of unit are that the volume and tone controls no longer can move independently. You can't move one without the other moving, so you can't change your volume without changing the station. I repaired that, of course. This is a repair to standard stock unit, repair to original stock, which is possible about 50% of the time on this type of unit. Most of them come in, have bad output transformers, and they're actually fire hazards. This one was in decent enough condition to go ahead and restore to original stock. Let's go ahead and turn it on. It's going to be a very short, sweet test since it's not a conversion. All we're testing is the AM radio and the 8-track, so let's turn it on.
Brought forth upon this continent a new nation,
bring our
conceived in liberty.
Output level meters, make sure we're getting output on both sides.
That all men are created equal.
That's our rotator balance control. Let's do this so you can see what I'm doing here. Okay, balance left, balance right, left, right, back to center. Okay, tone, dull, bright, dull, bright. Okay, and we probably get another station and a half farther down the dial. Let's go ahead and go back to our unit here. That's not the unit, that's me. There's our unit. All right, let's just see if we can pick up another half a station towards the higher end of the dial. Half a station. And there's one that comes in as a real station. And that's probably going to be it for this area.
And more bold and
okay, let's go ahead and test the 8-track. We have some temptations.
We have a busy day. We have a lot of breaking news.
Okay, make sure that we're getting output on both sides again, which we are. Okay, going to switch tracks. Okay, let's try some Anne Murray.
Almost 100%.
Just as a double check. Okay, pull the tape out, radio should come back.
Some of these documents.
And there's our radio. Turn her off, and she's ready to ship back to the customer. All testing is completed. All functions are working properly. I'm ready to get on to the next job. I am Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. If you have an 8-track player, either for home or for car use, or a classic car radio that you need worked on, you can reach me directly at 928-533-9666. My website is in the description below. Thank you so much for watching and listening, and we'll see you next time.